Hold on. Reflecting on the case during sentencing, Judge Michelle Sitko, sure, described it as, quote, the worst case she has ever seen in her 19-year judicial career. Yes! State attorneys Andrew Warrens described the murders as amongst the most cruel and vicious our community has ever seen. Holy that's some funny shit. I do like that. No, I want to talk about this. So I came across a new YouTube channel on my personal account, which I subscribe to, and I'll subscribe to them here. It's Dreading Crime and Psychology. These people do videos about criminals and shit. Anywho, I haven't seen too many, but I did watch this. This shit is fucking phenomenal. I'll probably not watch this video, but I'll just do a little touch and go in certain places, because this is a great video. I highly recommend it. Basically, this guy, well, I mean, he was found guilty of it, but he essentially murdered, fatally shot his ex-girlfriend, and then hacked their 9-year-old daughter to death with a hatchet. We're off to a really good start. Okay, we're off to a great start here, but here's where this gets good. The man decided to take the stand and defend himself without a lawyer. This is a fucked up murder, by the way. Not only that, he basically, like, they had an 8-year-old son and I guess a 9-year-old daughter, had being the key word. The 8-year-old lived past this. However, he apparently, like, shot his wife and then, like, was like, oh, this is gonna look bad. So he, like, dragged the 8-year-old in there and then forced the 8-year-old to, like, watch as his mother was. Anyways, really fucked up shit. Like, speed running the fuck this kid's life up as fast as possible. Apparently, one of the cops who was a part of this actually adopted the 8-year-old. Anywho, doesn't matter. This guy decided, no, not that guy. This guy decided, when faced with the fucking death penalty, to say, A, I am not guilty, and B, I did shoot my wife. Or girlfriend, fuck, I don't know. He's facing the death penalty. Yeah, it is Florida. That's the best part about this. My man is up here flailing his shit, being like, look, this is, oh, by the way, this is opening statements, right? Opening statements. This is beautiful shit. The nice hand rub. What a. Also, by the way, chat, here's what I want you to ask yourselves. Just place yourself in the jury, right? This is the first time you've seen this man speak. Innocent until proven guilty. Try to give this man everything that you can. I want you to tell me at what point are you like, nah, this guy killed everybody. Like, just, I've already poisoned the well enough. Come on. Rubbing his hands like he's gonna sleep in his own.
Is going to show.
Yes. Shouting equals correct. That's a good point.
That we are under.
Uh-huh.
Some of the most vicious.
This motherfucker did it. All right, Kraft is already out. Kraft it, bam, guilty, death penalty. Come on. Look at this. Also, just want to point this out. Look in the background. Everyone's faces are fucking hilarious. There's one moment when the judge is like side-eyeing the shit out of this. It's great. It's some phenomenal shit. Also, I didn't know staring angrily at the jury is known as a good tactic as your own lawyer. Holy fuck.
Fabricating.
Uh-huh.
Fictitious you ever seen.
This makes me want to be on a jury. I want to just be dying. What the fuck is this guy saying? Oh no, he's already crazy. He killed his fucking girl and his daughter. This guy's keeping his cool. I don't know how you could do that. Holy shit.
All said and done, you will see.
Yeah.
Who is the mass murderer?
You. It's you. I'm sorry, buddy. Holy fuck, dude. I didn't know. We need to look this up more. I need to watch court footage of people representing themselves because it's always gold. Like, it might be the easiest thing. We should just turn into a legal review channel. That's it. I have no legal background whatsoever. I'm just here for the funnies. And holy shit, there's enough delusional people that I think there should be a healthy little pool for this. Come on.
Tampa Bay.
Yes. Yes.
State of Florida.
Keep in mind, Florida, this man's up for fucking death penalty. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck, that's too funny. You're up for death penalty. I'm gonna defend myself. Just holy fuck. Hold on, let's refer back to the Wikipedia. I want to see aftermath. Do we have the sentencing? Oh my god! Hold on. Reflecting on the case during sentencing, Judge Michelle Sitko, sure, described it as, quote, the worst case she has ever seen in her 19-year judicial career. Yes! State attorneys Andrew Warrens described the murders as amongst the most cruel and vicious our community has ever seen. Holy shit! Oh my god. Wait. Initially, Ronnie's attorney filed motions claiming that Ronnie III was acting in self-defense and requested to defend Ronnie on the basis of Florida's stand your ground law. However, the judge rejected this request, finding Ronnie III Okay, when did he, like, get rid of it? Aggravated child abuse, arson. Hold on. He was given... Oh, there it is. He was given 3 life sentences without the possibility of parole, plus 90 years running consecutively. Let's go! I'm really surprised. Dude, I don't know how this guy didn't get the death penalty. I really don't know how that wasn't the case.
You will know why.
Like I don't know, maybe they just felt pity on the guy? Where, like, the fucking... The state attorney just sat there like, just keep talking. Keep talking. I think at one point in this, he admits to the murder, by the way.
What occurred on March 18, 2018.
Okay.
Occurred.
Uh-huh. I think it's really early on.
And the evidence is going to show
Uh-huh.
that law enforcement tampered with evidence to meet their such high burden of proof.
Okay, so law enforcement has tampered with the evidence. Interesting.
Because
how much delusion does it take to have a solid insanity case? You know, here's the thing. Insanity doesn't mean, oopsies, he's insane. That's why he has to kill people, dude. He gets to kill people because he's insane. So just give him a slap on the wrist and send them out. That's not how it works in the slightest. You get sent to an underfunded prison, which is, like, infinitely worse. Like they're just gonna be like, did you just talk back to me, son? No, we're gonna attach some electrodes to your head and we're gonna put a bunch of fire through it. Don't worry there, little guy. They're gonna shock the shit out of this dude. It's gonna be great. Like, I don't know, I remember watching some video about, like, yeah, the insanity plea is, like, not good. Like, you're still going to be locked away. I don't even know if you have visitation rights. Like, I don't know if anyone that you like love can come and see you in, like, a fucking penitentiary, because they're like, I mean, at least I don't want to fucking kill you. Well, no, they might still want to fuck you. Like, your inmates still might be I mean, crazy people are horny too, you know? Yeah, you're locked in with the crazies and they're gonna drug the fuck out of you. Like, if you go crazy, they're just gonna feed you lithium and be like, here you go. And then if you don't take the meds, they're gonna force them down your throat. I don't know, man. That seems way worse than going to a penitentiary and maybe becoming someone's wife. Like, I don't know. I don't know. You already killed someone, so it's like, I don't know. You're already deep in the shit at this point. Is being someone's wife really that bad, or do you want to just like be with crazies? Is that better than getting the chair? I don't know. At this point, I mean, fuck. I mean, this guy's crazy as shit, but at the same point, he just seems like a narcissist, which is, I think, actually literally the title of this video that sent me down this fucking rabbit hole. Like, it is actually just a fucking narcissist. It's beautiful, you know? Respect. Not really. No respect. I mean, he did murder a 9-year-old, you know? Quote from the Wikipedia, hacked their 9-year-old daughter, I can't pronounce that name and I'm not gonna try, O'Neill to death with a hatchet. Stabbed and set on fire their 8-year-old son. Who survived and told detectives, quote, "My father shot my mother before being medically evacuated to the Tampa hospital." Yeah, that has got to be the most damning first paragraph. I think that's, yeah, this guy's not a good dude. This guy's like, and then he's standing in front of a fucking jury. Outrageous, egregious. When you see the footage of the cops questioning my burnt and stabbed son, and he says, quote, "My father killed my mother and sister," you will too cast doubt on him. He's only 8. He's only 8. Like, what the fuck? Also, haircut, death sentence, damn. Damned him to hell.
It wasn't enough.
This guy in the background, I saw that fucking eye
If
movement.
you go to regular jail, the inmates will just straight up kill him.
Yeah.
They don't take kindly to what this fucker did.
Yeah, well,
and they'll get creative with how they'll do it.
Yeah, they might be slow with it, or they might just let him live, you know, like for a little while before doing it, but nah, I don't know. He didn't play insanity. Like, I don't think if I control F this and SAIN sanity, no, he didn't even try to do that. He literally was like, shit, my girlfriend tried to kill me. Yeah, that's what happened. It was self-defense, especially when I think he tried to pin the murder on. I think what he tried to do is that he tried to say his ex or his girl tried to kill his daughter, killed his daughter, and then was trying to kill him. So he had the shoot and kill. But you know, when your 8-year-old burnt and stabbed son says, "My father shot my mother," you know, it's pretty that's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. Also, 3 consecutive life sentences without the possibility of parole is fucking crazy, dude. Holy shit. Oh, get this. Yeah, events. At 11:43, whatever. 911 emergency call from an unknown woman, now believed to have been Ketiana? I'm not even gonna try. Well, I already tried, but I failed. A male caller can be heard in the background saying, "She killed me." Quote, "Don't come outside, call 911 now, and Allahu Akbar." The 911 call ended shortly thereafter. Interesting, you know, bold, interesting, cool. 8 minutes later, the second 911, or the second 911, I'm actually fucking... Shit, never forget. Male caller claiming to have been attacked by white demons. Right. I think he also tried to burn down the house. Anyways, let's go back to him pleading to the jury. I think he admits, there is a part here where he's like, yeah, I did. Fuck it.
Because originally, it wasn't enough.
Uh-huh.
So we had to tamper with evidence.
Okay, we tampered with evidence, yeah? I believe this man.
It was such evident already, but we still had to tamper with evidence.
So there was so much evidence that I had murdered my girl that they had to add more fake evidence and falsify it to make it look like I really murdered my girlfriend. Shit.
The evidence is going to show. My son did not see me murder his mom.
Fucking Jesus, Poke! Jesus!
The evidence is going to show.
I mean, I'm not disagreeing, but I mean,
He did not see me shoot his mom.
oh,
The evidence is going to show.
what?
My son said many things that are not true.
Uh-huh. Oh, wait, what was that? Back that
I
up?
see me murder his mom.
I don't know. This guy looks really trustful. I mean, does that look like someone who would lie? Or perhaps murder his daughter and girlfriend?
The evidence is going to show.
That's interesting.
He did not see me shoot his mom.
He did not see me shoot his mom. Yeah, there's the judge. Look, dude, the judge kills me. The judge, I mean, remember, the judge would later go on to say, the worst case she has ever seen.
The evidence is going to show.
You know, everyone in this courtroom was like, yeah, can we push for the death penalty? Like, please. Fucking please. Please let us push for that shit.
My son said many things that are not true.
Oh, please. Just every time she's in frame, please tell me what I want to see.
Evidence is going to show that I called 911 during Kenyatta Barron's 911 call.
Okay, so he called 911 during hers? White demons. Wait, a second call. This looks like it's a little bit later. This is a male caller claiming to have been attacked by white demons and accusing her, addressed as Kiki. You know, that's a cuter name, Kiki. R.I.P. Kiki. Sorry. I'm sorry. This is probably deeply traumatic for your family, but you know what? There's really no joke to make there. He was trying to kill him, and that he just killed her. Ronnie III gave the home address. Deputies arrived. Ooh. Wait, what the fuck? Yo, he's on the phone? Dude, you know what? Maybe this guy's right. Maybe this guy's right. Maybe they did tamper with evidence. I don't know. Seems... I mean, shit, they've already been in the house for 2 minutes. That's, you know what? He's acquitted of all charges. Innocent. Fuck it. Fuck it. Come here, kill... Wait, what the fuck? Deputies arrived at the home at 11:49 to find a woman later identified as Kiki, lying unconscious in the yard of the home that was mentioned in the address. Prior to killing her, Ronnie yelled, "Come in here, kill this bitch." Not looking great. Killed his daughter with a hatchet. That's, dude, his son's fucking named after... Holy fuck. Change your name, dude. Oh my god. First of all, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't really get the whole naming your son your name type shit. I was named after my fucking grandpa's best friend, Swag. But like, I think that's cool because it's like welcoming them into the family. And if I ever had kids, I would totally do that shit. I'd be like, this is my son. This is my son, Chuck. Look, Chuck is a good man. He was a pseudo uncle. But, you know, the whole naming your son your name, it's a little bizarre, especially when he murders your mother and your sister. That's really fucked up. Leaving him critically wounded, Ronnie III then proceeded to set fire to the home. The fourth escaped the home with stab wounds and burns and later told a detective, quote, "My father shot my mother." That's pretty fucking definitive, man. Holy fuck. Oh my god, would you name your child after a Breaking Bad record? God. Oh, yeah, Chuck's not in Breaking Bad. He's in Better Call Saul, but you know what? Yeah, actually, Chuck is pretty sick in fucking Better Call Saul. Oh, fuck. Before being promptly transferred, Ronnie III's arrest... Oh, shit, he's resisted arrest until being tased by police. So, you know, that's actually... You know what? Fuck it. While inside the squad car, he called his murdered victim the devil and said the kids are the devil's kids. Jesus Christ. I was fucking the devil. Yeah, that's brutal.
But all of a sudden, it ends up after I call Kenyatta, after Kenyatta Barron's call.
I love when lawyers say, very professional, just really good stuff here.
Call was made. Now I'm calling 911.
Yeah, that, my man, I'm pretty sure the jury could have said right here, right now, like, done, it's over, kill, just instant death.
But originally, I called 911 without even knowing she called 911.
Damn.
During her call.
Damn, he's so right. He's cooking my guy.
But the evidence is going to show that your representative.
Yeah, man.
And
My political representatives are involved in this somehow.
law enforcement, local law enforcement.
Oh,
wanted
never mind, law enforcement.
to make it seem like I'm some kind of menace to society.
Gonna go on a real quick tangent. Yeah, I think you are a menace to society.
And I ran after killing Kenyatta Barron. No.
I ran after, you know, killing her. Ronnie III resisted arrest until being tased. Man, you just got the taser? I mean, come on.
Knowing that authority
Didn't even get to like anything more powerful than that.
was on the
Boo.
way to kill my own children.
I just want to point out, if you're making the thing that you're killing your own children, you did say that she is the devil, and the kids are the devil's kids. That's already on the record, my man. It's Jover. Like, I'm surprised this guy didn't, with a fumble this bad, I'm surprised this guy did not get fucking death penalty. Like, that's surprising to me.
I would do something like that for no reason. And I'm standing here competent as can be, representing myself.
You are competent as can be. That is true. Very true. Very cool. In the background, there's just... The judge is just like, fuck it. Jail, death. Please show the fucking... I'm surprised. The judge and this guy are just given... They are really fucking professional about this.
The evidence is going to show.
They're not like snickering under their... Like, they're not like me. I'm dying at this point. I'm fucking gasping for air. Oh, fuck. Boo! Boo!
My son did not witness me viciously beat his mom to death.
No, you shot her.
The evidence is going to show.
Huh?
My neighbor, Khalil Brown,
Uh-huh. Hold on.
whom they are trying to keep out of this trial,
Yeah?
witnessed me take 3 strikes.
Damn. I'm sold.
The evidence is going to show
Come on, baby.
that law enforcement
Bring it home.
and
Come on.
this administration wanted to make me look like a menace to society.
I think that's the part. I think he's like, look, law enforcement says I beat her to death. However, my neighbor saw that I got punched 3 times, which means it's self-defense to just shoot her and then hack apart my daughter with a hatchet. Once again.
So they added several mini strikes on that video and audio that you
Oh yeah, the strike system crafted, you're right. 3 strikes, you're out. Fuck it.
heard.
Oh my God.
And they added several statements
Uh-huh.
that I did not say.
Okay. Like? Dude, I am so surprised. Well, actually, maybe these are like people who know the victims. That's probably why they're not, you know, like watching this in front of a live stream, trying to hold in laughter that this guy's throwing away his life. I mean, yeah, that is kind of like the... What do the comments say on this video? He's talking like a preacher on Sunday morning to whoever reads the Bible and left his notes at home. Oh, who's never read the Bible and left his notes at home? My bad. Fuck. Jesus Christ. Never interrupt your enemy. Yeah. Bullshit. All right, here's the closing arguments. These are funny too. I love that white noise in the background, baby. We love that shit. Put no filters over our audio.
Mr. O'Neill, you need to speak audibly so that the jury can hear what you're saying.
Speak audibly, please. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. No. No. Does he actually dead ass go straight for the fucking... I did... Please tell me it's in this. 4 minutes in, you're fucking joking.
I did kill Kenyatta Barron.
You fucking idiot. Oh boy. Come on.
He showed you a fraudulent recording.
How are you gonna prove that that's fraudulent recording? Please tell us. Other than saying it's a fraudulent recording, back that up.
Where they allege
Motherfucker just starts opening it in like fucking Audacity on the computer.
that I beat Kenyatta Barron to death.
No, I'm pretty sure the Wikipedia said that you shot her. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see. SHOT. Fatally shot his girl. Yeah, no. Also, your son never said that you beat her to death. He actually said that you shot her. He said my father shot my mother. Pretty decisive on that. Maybe that's just a fuck up on the point of the police, but I really don't think they're gonna let you slide because they accidentally did that.
He talked about Mr. Khalil Brown, my neighbor who stayed across the street.
Uh-huh. Your neighbor.
But if
Oh shit, there we go. There we go. Look at the person typing. Look at her eyes. She just rolled them! Yeah, I got you. Hold on. I clocked that shit. Look at this. There we go. There are the eyes. Locking over here. There they're going up and around, baby! Oh, fuck!
Mr. Khalil Brown was a help
Meanwhile, that woman has like a 200-word typing speed. Just brrr. Oh my god, look at the judge.
to them proving me guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes.
They would have called Mr. Khalil
Yes.
Brown. But I called Mr. Khalil Brown.
For information, this guy, he's talking about his neighbor, and how he wasn't called to the stand, even though he was the guy who placed the phone call, which apparently, according to Le Video that I heavily suggest you watch from fucking dreading these people, apparently if like the prosecutor has this guy dead to rights, he's not gonna call him up. He's just not gonna do it. He's like, yeah, it's gonna muddy the waters. I don't really want it, because like if you have so much hard evidence, having someone take the stand who is a human and has human not human problems, like recollections, like, well, what did you see? It just introduces extra shit. So probably the prosecution just didn't want to bring him up and was like, nah, fuck that shit. I don't know why he wouldn't be able to, but maybe, I don't know. I don't know law too much, so fuck it.
A witness for me.
Right. Yeah, look at the eyes. Oh, this is a much better angle. I love it.
And I
love
asked him to lie about one thing that he saw that night.
Oh, she just did a good one. Look at this shit. Yes! Yes, 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 yes.
To tell the jury
Michelle Sitko, let's go.
exactly what he saw.
Unfortunately, there's no footage of her reading this guy his fucking, and him breaking down, being like, 3 life sentences plus 90 years? Oh!
And you have to ask yourself why that is.
Holy shit.
Because he's playing a fraudulent damn recording of me beating Kenyatta Barron 15 damn times when that did not happen. And like I told you earlier, you will know the truth, whether in this trial or the next one.
What do you mean, next trial? What the fuck? What do you mean, next trial? When this trial ends and I get my do-over, boy, the next one's gonna be better. Oh my god. You don't get a second one, you fucking idiot. Maybe you should have gotten rid of your fucking lawyer. Oh fuck, dude. Oh fuck. The lawyer who he fired or got rid of, just fucking dying in the audience, just fucking watching this, crying his eyes out like, dude. Goes to his lawyer, but he's like, I dodged the biggest fucking bullet of my entire career. This guy was fucking crazy.
Better believe it.
Oh my god, is she laughing?
This trial or
Michelle, please give me a chuckle.
better believe it.
Yeah! She's trying to, oh, the glasses are coming off, Michelle.
If you think I'm here to play around with y'all, god damn it, I'm not.
All right, Mr. O'Neill, please stop
Michelle, thank you. Thank you.
using swearing language. It's not appropriate in a closing argument.
Like, at this point, just do what that one guy did. You know, what's the one fucking dude who like, guy leaps on judge. This shit.
A taste of something else because I just can't with that history. In accordance with the laws of the state of Nevada, this court.
like, dude, at this point, you're done, my guy. It's over. It's over. Oh, we'll full screen it. Oh. There's like a there's a follow-up. There's a follow-up to this. I think it's the same person. And she's just like, yeah, no, you're going away for a while. Oh, fuck. I mean, dude, if you're already done, fuck it. You're already down for fucking 90 years. Plus 3 life sentences. Or 2, I don't remember. Wait, fuck it. Let's get back to it. What was this? He was given 3 life sentences. Oh shit, it was 3. I was right. Fuck you for thinking otherwise past me. You a bitch. Nice, nice.
Now he played a recording that was sped up.
He night courted.
Why didn't you play the regular recording that people can understand what the call was saying?
That's fucking excellent, dude. People of the court, I would like to show you the following. I will play it once, and you will have to make a judgment on that. As you can clearly tell, my my client is guilty. That's what the lawyers did. They just shut up. Yeah, I was at a 13 times normal speed.
Objection to the defendant asking me questions, Your Honor.
I'm going to sustain
I'm
the...
talking to
Okay.
people.
Mr. Mr. O'Neill, listen.
Nice.
Please just keep in mind this is not personal towards the prosecutors. Please keep your comments directed towards the evidence and the law. Thank you.
Yeah, Judge, get off my dick. God, why is the judge being such a bitch? All I did was fucking murder 2 people
For a fact,
and force my son to watch.
Kenyatta Barron recording from her phone did not record calls sped up like that.
I'm gonna object now and
Fucking
facts,
guy.
not in evidence of what he knows.
Are we done with this? I think we're fucking done with this. I think we're done. Wait.
I am not sorry. For something I didn't do, and I am not sorry for the things I did do.
Hell no, man. We're back at it.
Mr. O'Neill,
All right.
listen, stop. Stop.
All right.
Listen to me.
I'm
You're
not-
not going to raise your voice again.
I'm
You're
not going to raise my
your
voice again. I'm not.
I will have you removed from this courtroom. I can sentence you without you being present.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't conduct
I
yourself.
understand, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Oh, God.
But I will say, I'm sorry.
The house is burnt, but the guy keeps cooking. No!
For your loss.
19
He's like me when I was a kid. I'm sorry you felt that way. God.
years I've been at this job. I've seen human beings killed at the hands of others in every way imaginable. You name it, I've seen it. Shootings, stabbings, drownings, seppuku.
Holy shit, does she have an orb? Oh my God. Your judge is clairvoyant. Alright, I've heard enough. Let me ask the orb. Did he do it? Yeah, you're going to prison. Fuck it.
Blown apart by cars in DUI manslaughter cases. Horrible things.
Oh, fuck.
This is the worst case I have ever seen as far as the facts go.
When your judge gives you a pat on the back and says this is the worst thing she has ever seen. Holy fuck.
When they when the person from fire department, when he testified, and when he said that he retrieved the body of Ronivia O'Neill from the home, and all he could do was sob. It took every ounce I had not to start sobbing too. Because there is no way any person...
This is fucked up that we're doing this on stream. I'm not gonna lie. Before she started talking, it was pretty easy to laugh.
with any feeling could have witnessed
I'm gonna hold my
or
tongue.
seen the photos of what occurred that night and not be haunted for the rest of your life. I know I will be. For the rest of my life, I'll be haunted.
We're like trying to give Michelle a little high five. We're like, dude, that was fucking sick work out there. She's like, I am deeply traumatized by what I have seen during this case, and it is not a laughing matter in the slightest. We're like, yeah, you're right. Shit.
By what I saw as far as the evidence. And
Yo, why don't they give you a fucking button on your desk? Like, that'd be cool, right?
just the abject cruelty of it all. The abject cruelty. And I was aware, because I reviewed a lot of the discovery ahead of time, as you well know, did a lot of in-camera inspection of a lot of documents. And I was aware there was some evidence, at least, that when you needed to recover from your gunshot wound, that
Fucking what?
neither your parents nor your Aisha, Miss Robinson, would let you come recover at their home. I don't know if it's true or not. I'm not going to get into a dispute. I'm just
My man got shot.
There was some evidence referencing that in the records. And all I can think about, because I knew that this Baron was not
I'm gonna skip to the. We gonna
guys, knowing that their death is imminent. Gunshot.
We just gonna get like.
Across in my 54 years on this planet, one of the bravest ever.
See, I just wanted her to be like Death. Honestly, I wonder why they didn't give him death. Anyways, I think that's probably enough. You guys had enough of the Riverview murder, or murderers, murders. I think that's about right. I think we've played this about as much as we could. Watching it, man. I don't think the murder. All right, closing thoughts. I don't think the murders are good. Obviously, I do think it's funny watching a guy like kind of slip and fall and kind of like flail around in front of a court with such high fucking penalties on his ass. That's good.